Hey everyone, this video is going to help you with opening, editing, and saving your Linmar Alma Mater project so that you can write in the solfege, save it, turn it in, and get credit for your work. So if you open up the email using a web version of your email account, then when you open up the attachment, you're going to see something pop up like this. This is kind of like a preview. Now on this preview, you can see some yellow boxes down here. And I've seen on some versions, like if I were to open this up with Chrome, where you can actually start making edits in these boxes right away. But you don't want to do that because even if you can edit in these yellow boxes, there's no way to save from this particular um, preview box. So instead, what you want to do is you want to download the file. Cool. All right. And now when I open it, it's going to open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is the program that handles PDFs. And now from here, you can see that when I click on these boxes, I can make edits in here. Like I can label the notes with the correct solfege. For right now, I'm just putting in X's. And then in order to save, I go up here to File, Save As. And we would like you to label this at the beginning with your last name underscore first name so that we can distinguish your worksheet from somebody else's and get you credit for your work. And then of course you'll click save. Now there's one other thing that could happen when you open up the file, and I'll show you that next. On some people's computers, when you open up the file, it'll actually open up in Google Chrome. It just kind of depends on the settings on your computer. And from here, you can also see that you can make edits in the boxes underneath the notes. However, it's just a little bit trickier to save because if you go up here to the upper right-hand corner and you click download, you'll just be downloading the original file and it won't save your edits. Instead, if you find that it opens it up like this in a tab in Google Chrome, that's totally fine. But when you're done writing in the solfege for the entire sheet and you're ready to save your work, go up here to the upper right-hand to the printer. Go ahead and click print. And then you can see here in the previews that it is saving my edits. You can see the X's that I typed in. And then for destination, please don't print at the school, of course. You're going to go to save as PDF, and then it will save this worksheet with your edits. And same thing, put in your last name underscore first name so that we can tell which one is yours and save. Hopefully this was helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. There are lots of different ways to do this. You might be opening it on a mobile device. You might be screenshotting it and then putting in edits on whatever editing program you have on your computer or your phone or your tablet. Whatever gets the solfege written underneath the notes, saved, and then uploaded to PowerSchool or Unified Classroom is totally, totally fine. So if you want to use the methods that I laid out here, that's fine. If you have something else that works, that's great. I just wanted to make sure that you know how to open it up and how to save it correctly because we noticed there were a bunch of different ways that weren't saving very well. So again, let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to each other. You have all week to get this done, and we're here to help.